If you're new to YouTube and struggling to make your channel grow, then you're in the right place. I have 3 tips for you to help you grow your channel fast. Hey, I'm Paddy, and if you're new to the channel, please go and hit subscribe and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So I'm probably like you, I'm new to YouTube. I've only started about 2 weeks ago. If we go over to my analytics, you will see this, but you will see that I've had consistent growth over this 2 weeks. Now I'm going to scroll down a little bit so you can see. Where's the data? Come on. There we go. So I started round about the 27th, 28th of last month, and as you can see, my watch time is steadily growing, my views are steadily growing, and my average view duration is getting better. So people can be on YouTube for 6 months to a year and still not see growth like this, because they don't know what they're doing and they don't know how to optimize everything you do. Why am I special? I'm not. I stick to these 3 rules and I'm going to show you now. So, step 1. Make videos on topics that people are searching for. So, let me elaborate on that. If you're making videos which hasn't really got a purpose, they're just random videos, then you're not going to get found in YouTube's search engine. YouTube's search engine is the second biggest on the planet next to Google, so there's a lot of people searching it. So you want to make videos on topics that people are searching for. So how do we do this? Well, it's actually quite simple. We just do a little bit of keyword research using a tool called keywordtool.io, and it's free to use. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to put in how to make your YouTube channel grow, and then I would click search. Now this would bring up a lot of different keyword phrases that people are searching. Now as you can see, let that just load up. How to make your YouTube gaming channel grow, how to make your YouTube channel grow, how to make your channel grow on YouTube. These are all phrases that people are searching. So now if I copy this like so, go over back to YouTube, and I'm going to use this extension that I've got, Chrome extension. It's called TubeBuddy. This is also free to use. Now if you go down to here to Tag Explorer, now I'm going to put it in the search bar and press enter. Now this is going to bring up data that is going to be useful to you. Now as you can see, for this keyword phrase, the search volume is average with the competition is very low. This is good. This means we could probably rank for this. So what we then would do is create a video and call it how to make your YouTube channel grow fast. But let me show you where the magic lies and show you an example. So I'm just going to go over to my video manager and pull up one of my older videos which I have managed to rank in YouTube for. So let's head over. I'm going to scroll down. Come on. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my most popular. Then I'm going to open this video just so I can show you what the next steps are in trying to rank a video. So let that open. So in this example, I wanted to rank for Hustle Got Real. So I named the video Hustle Got Real. I've got that keyword in the title. I have it in the description, and I have it in the tags. Now all your tags should be related to the same subject. As you can see, I managed to rank this video 7th for Hustle Got Real review, overview, Hustle Got Real software. So if we click on the Hustle Got Real, again, this is using the Chrome extension TubeBuddy. But now I'm going to pop that open in a new tab. Come on. Come on. Then if I scroll down, you will see where I am actually ranked. So I'm ranked just here. I have ranked here, and I've also ranked a playlist. Where is it? See, I've made a playlist of Hustle Got Real videos, and I've managed to rank that for the keyword. Now, when you search stuff on YouTube, it is all done through relevance. So everything has to be relevant. If we go to the search, if we go to the filter function, as you can see, the default search option is relevance. Now, I have ranked these videos because they are all relevant to this keyword. I have it in my title, I've named the video that, I've got it in the description, and I have it in my tags. So in YouTube's eyes, this video or these videos are really relevant to this keyword phrase. Now that was step 1. I'm just going to head over and we're going to go to step 2. Step 2. Upload regularly. It does not have to be every day. So don't worry about posting videos every single day. Just as long as you're uploading regularly, maybe once a week, twice a week, or 3 times a week, then you're all good. Don't upload a bunch of videos, leave it a month, and then upload more. Be consistent with uploading. So, step 3. Make eye-catching thumbnails. So you can do this for free using Canva. Now if we go over to canva.com, I will just show you quickly. It is a free, it's kind of like Photoshop, but it is completely free. So you can make your thumbnails in here and it is not going to cost you anything, and you don't have to be a graphic designer to do this. So as you can see, these are my thumbnails. If it will load up, it hasn't cost me anything to make these. As you can see, they are all pretty eye-catching and they pop, catch your eye. Now if you want me to make videos or tutorials on Canva, then please leave a comment below and I will check them out and possibly do one. So that is my 3 simple steps to making your YouTube channel grow fast. If you stick to these 3 simple steps, put in the research and make videos on topics that people are searching for, then you will see success. So that is it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can get updated for any further uploads I do. That being said, I've been Paddy, and I'll see you again soon.